Alright, now I'm getting ready to review the OmniShaver for the first time. I got about 3 days worth of hair growth on here. I usually use a Schick Hydro 5. And that usually takes me a good 5 to 7 minutes to shave my head. So I'm going to try this out and see what time it is. So let me lather up. I'm going to put some hair conditioner on my head to get it slick and then get started. Okay, I got it lathered up with the hair conditioner, and here we go. Okay, I think that's about it. Let me wash it off. Very smooth. I mean, to the skin. No stubble whatsoever. Not sure how long that took, but I know it didn't take 5 or 7 minutes. So all in all, excellent shaver. Great shaver. The OmniShaver.